Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ stepped into the market for a third straight day today, selling $20 million to help plug a gap in supply. Over the past 3 days, the central bank has pumped $90 million into the market. With its latest intervention, the central bank says authorized dealers and large cambios will be required to sell the funds to businesses. The requirement has been in place since December 2014. And the Jamaican dollar continued to strengthen today against the U.S. currency, selling for $141.21. The Canadian dollar, $106.91. The pound closed at $181.47, and the euro at $158.75. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has renewed his government's commitment to making Jamaica the place of choice for investment in the region. He was addressing the Caribbean Hotel and Investment Conference in Montego Bay, St. James.
What is not often captured in the statistics about destinations, but which investors are usually also very concerned, it's the political stability. And that is becoming high on the agenda of investors as they seek to go into emerging markets. You will find that the Caribbean region is probably one of the most stable emerging regions. And Jamaica is, well, not probably, Jamaica is the most stable politically of all your potential opportunities within the region.
Radio Jamaica released financial results today showing improved earnings. The media entity, which owns this station, reports $13 million in profit over the 6-month period from April to September. That's a turnaround from a $133 million loss over the same period a year ago. Higher revenues and lower costs across the broadcast brands of the group contributed to the improved results. Panjam reports increased profits during the July to September quarter. The investment company's profit was $2.5 billion, and that's up 31% from a year ago. The JSE index gained 2,402 points today, while the junior market index lost 38 points. Among the winners, Jetcon Corporation, Siboney Group, Indus Pharma, 1834 Investments, and Main Event Entertainment Group. On the losing side, we had CAC 2000, iCreate, Lasco Financial Services, General Accident Insurance Company, and Kingston Properties. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.